So you've been thinking about getting started with a software called OddsJam. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably don't know a lot about OddsJam and you want to learn. So take it from me, someone who has used it for a month and a half now, but in my very first 28 days, I made $7,495 using OddsJam. So I want to help you do the exact same. In fact, my last video, I went into depth on that. Feel free to check it out. There in the top right corner where the little eye is, I'll link to that video or down in the description, and you can watch that video after this one. But in this video, I want to break down how I've actually been using OddsJam to make $7,500. And if you want a full tutorial all about sports betting in general, make sure to go down into the description. There's also a link to the 7-day free trial for the Online Business Academy, which is a full course breaking down sports arbitrage, EV betting, a little bit of live arbitrage as well. But if you're just looking to get started with OddsJam, I also have a 35% off the first month. That promo code and link are all down in the description, so you can find it there. But what we're going to do is hop into my computer. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about OddsJam in order to get started. Okay, here we are inside of OddsJam. I'm going to dive in and show you everything you need in order to get started and start killing it with the software. Now, when you use that link down in the description, it's going to give you a 7-day free trial, plus your first month is going to be 35% off. I'm going to recommend starting with the gold plan. The reason I say that is because it's going to let you get used to the software. And then once you get used to it, you can later upgrade to that platinum plan. And that's going to give you live arbitrage. That's going to give you things like being able to reset your page, which I'll show you all that in a minute. But let's dive in and let me show you everything that you're going to get with OddsJam. So the first thing you're going to start with is your promo finder. Now, we covered this in that last video that I made, and I told you to go back and watch after this video. But here in the promo finder, you're going to be able to find some of the best sports books to get started with, and then some of the best ones to expand into later down the road. So for example, BetMGM, when you get started with them, they do $150 of bonus bets. Fanatics does $1,000 across 10 days of no sweat bets. Caesars does a $250 bonus, and these change all the time. But this is going to give you the right sports books to get started and help you get that bankroll starting to increase very, very quickly. So once you've decided which sports books you're going to dive into, then you're going to come here to the promo converter. So one of the ones I started with, for example, which will eventually limit you, it's just part of the game, is Fanatics. So we're going to click on Fanatics right here. And at least the bonus the offer they had when I started was no sweat bets, and they did $100 a day for 10 days, and it was refunded as bonus bets. So you can see right here, you can come in and play this right here, and it's going to give you a 57% ROI on your investment here. So the way, I won't go into no sweat bets versus bonus bets. In fact, probably just be simpler to do bonus bets for the sake of this. But you can see all of the different things you can do, right? So no matter what kind of promo the sportsbook has, there's a different option. You can select what that is right here, and then you just enter it in. So we'll do bonus bets. So here you see we can get an 80% profit on this bonus bet. If this side wins, we make $80. If this side wins, if the hedge wins, we make $81. So you're going to use this to make your promos actually make you as much money as possible. So when it comes to bonus bets, you can pretty much always convert between 65 and 80% of that into cash that you can later withdraw. So the promo conversion alone is going to make you your money back within a couple days, most time within one day. So then we're going to go to positive EV. Actually, I'm going to jump to arbitrage first. So arbitrage is, if you're not familiar, it's simply taking two sports books that their odds are a little different from one another, and OddsJam is going to find opportunities to place a bet on both sides of the event, and whichever side hits, you make money either way. So for example, Duke versus Alabama, if Duke were to win on one sports book, if Duke were to lose on the other, and OddsJam finds opportunities where whichever one hits, you make money, which is crazy, right? So it's zero risk. You can do this in like 20, 30 minutes a day. Let me really quickly come in. We're going to get rid of my filters. We're going to do all sports books just so I can show you some examples here. This is actually a really cool feature too, where they just added, you can click this dual and both will pop up. Really, really cool feature that they just added. So you can see here, this is a 7.5% ARB. If one side hits, I make $18. If the other side hits, I make $31. It gives you your bet size right here, and you can change that based on your bankroll. If you want to change your bankroll, just go here to profile and then bankroll. which simply means how much money you are using across all of your sports books. And so it's going to give you your bet size, the arb percentage. It's going to give you the exact plays, the exact odds. It's so incredibly easy to use. And this is the freest money you will ever make doing sports betting. It's crazy how easy this is. In fact, my goal is to hit six figures over the next 365 days on top of my other three businesses just using this strategy. Now, another strategy that I've been implementing is called positive EV. Again, I'm going to turn all my filters off. If you want to see the filters I used, you can pause and check any of these out that you want. I'm testing these a little bit. I actually only had two filters yesterday for all my positive EV trades, but I ended up adding more just based on some of the data over my first 1,500 EV bets. So, and if you're not familiar with positive EV, basically on 99% of bets inside of a sports book, the casino or the sports book has that positive EV, which means over the long term, they are going to make more money than the people betting. Positive EV goes out and finds bets where you actually have the positive EV, and over a long number of bets, you are going to be profitable. So there are some stipulations to that. Again, we go over all that inside of the Online Business Academy full course where we dive into a beginner guide. We dive into more advanced trainings like positive EV. So you can find all that in the free trial down in the description. But you can see here, this has a positive 9% EV. Now, what I like doing is I always use my DVIG method to be Pinnacle. It's one of the sharpest books out there. So you can see right now, let me just grab, you can also just, if you're starting from as a brand new beginner, it's also a great idea just to use recommended filters, and you can see so many options and things to bet on right here. These little warnings are just things or plays that I've already betted on. So the yellow one means I've just bet that game. This means it would actually conflict if I were to bet this, so I shouldn't bet this position. You can come in, you can hide individual ones, all of that. Really, really cool. And again, some platforms will allow you to do a one-click bet, which other platforms, if you can't do it on a computer, you can do it directly from your phone. So we went through Arbitrage. You can also use their bet tracker. Now, I will say, I showed you, if you go into the last video, I show all of my tracking is on the platform called Picket. So this actually isn't accurate. For me personally, I really like using Picket because it syncs directly to your sports books, and I have to manually track this. So I don't actually use this to track. Usually I just, like, this is my actual bet size. So if you want to see my actual bet profile, you can go to Picket, and I think my account's public, and you can see all of my bets right there. Here's the sportsbook screen where you can see everything. I'm gonna move my head to the other side. You can see middles. Middles is a great strategy if you're not already utilizing them. So there aren't any available right now, but it's kind of similar to arbitrage, but the difference is neither side is gonna make you much money, but if there's a chance for both bets to hit, and then you actually win both. So middles is a really cool strategy. And again, this is what you can use, this little play button right here if you're using the platinum plan. Click that, and every like 5 seconds, it'll automatically refresh for you, which is really nice. You can kind of keep it on a second monitor, on your phone, whatever, and then just hit the plays as they come up. Really love that feature. You can do low hold, you can do parlay builders. I do that, especially for like profit boosts when a sportsbook offers really good bonuses or really good promos on parlays. You can use that there. You can dive more into sports. Here are all your different calculators. So guys, there are so many great uses for OddsJam. I love the software. Couldn't recommend it enough. And if you want to learn how to utilize all these strategies, how to get the most out of OddsJam, let me highly recommend going down in the description, joining the Online Business Academy, 7-day free trial, go through the full course, ask questions as you have them. I helped someone else. I made $7,500 in my first 28 days. I've helped someone else make, I believe it was $3,000 in his first 2 weeks. In fact, if you click the link down below, the second video on our About page breaks down his whole testimonial. Really, really cool. And I would love to help do the same for you. But even if you don't join, also down in the description, there's a promo code for 35% off your first month at OddsJam, along with a 7-day free trial. So make sure to utilize that and start using OddsJam. I love it, and I know you will as well.